no, I don't recommend her whatsoever. Received the package from Dark and Lovely. Hi guys, good morning. How are you all doing today? If this is your first time on my channel, you're definitely welcome. My name is Maryann. I am a content creator based in Minnesota. So today I have a couple of event things happening, so I definitely want to take you guys along. As you can see, I went and got my lashes done because I have a trip on Wednesday. We're going for my brother-in-law's wedding. So basically that's my husband's brother, so really excited about that. Got my lashes done. This is my first time, so it's super uncomfortable. My eyes were on fire yesterday when they were doing it. So it was like stinging like really bad. I don't know if that's normal, but I wouldn't know because it was my first time. And then, you know, I have this red eye if you look closely, and this eye feels really heavy. This on the other hand feels normal, but this one hurts really bad for me to be able to go to bed too. It was really bad. I'm going to monitor it today and see, go back and take them off, but I'll be pissed because I spent a lot of money getting them done. Get my hair braided. I couldn't get it done immediately, so I had to wait like 5 hours for them to be done with everybody before they could do mine. I have some brushes that I need to wash. I have a makeup client coming in today, so I need to wash that, clean the house, and we need to be leaving at 8:30. We're going to go check out cars. So excited. And then from there I have a like surprise for you guys. You guys are gonna see it soon, so let's leave that one for now. I don't know which one I should do first, and then wash the brushes. Once I wash the brushes so they can start drying, I can then come in and clean the house, you know. So I went, got my eyes checked. Bad, it's worse than before. So I don't know, they said they can't really do anything about it unless I do surgery, and I don't want to die risk, so I'm going to keep on wearing glasses. But I never knew you could actually prescribe contact lenses. I was so pumped. So they gave me samples, about 5. I used one on the day of my appointment. I still have 4 left, but I plan to use those ones during my trip. I ordered like a 6-month supply, and I also got like glasses as well, so I most likely will be using contact lenses moving forward. They are just so convenient. The one I chose is the one where the daily one, so you put it on, you take it off at night and throw it away. Like it's a daily contact lens, you're not supposed to wash it, but you just open it, put it in your eyes, go do what you want to do for throughout the day, and once you're done, you take it off, throw it away, you're good to go. The next day you do the same thing. So 6 months of 6 months supply of it. Is there anything else that I'm missing? Oh yeah, so I tried to do my toes myself. I'm gonna insert pictures. I think I got it this time, and this is the first time that I'm actually getting it. But I noticed that anytime I use this acrylic liquid, it just reacts negatively with my body, and then I start having like running nose. Running nose, and then mucus gets stuck in my throat. I've done this, like it has happened to me like 3 times. I keep saying, oh, maybe it's the environment, or maybe it's something, but now that it's happening the 4th time, I'm like, it might probably be that thing. So I'll be discontinuing using it and finding like a better alternative. Even when I wear masks, it still happens. So I took off my nose finally. It was just one piece that was remaining here that was bugging me, so I took it off. I'm going to be painting my nose white. I have white paint and transparent paint, so that's what I'm going to be doing for my brother-in-law's wedding. I think I'm really ready, but like a week. I actually want to try this vendor out, so it wasn't really because of the wedding that I got a wig, but I'm gonna be prepping the wig either today or tomorrow because I need to style it. Monday, Tuesday is gonna be very busy, and we're traveling on Wednesday, so you know, styling has to happen over the weekend. Oh yeah, I got the hair bonnet as well yesterday. I think this card came for you from Mrs.
I don't really like you, but I try to so I can have fun. I just roll around town with a frown on the run. I don't really like you, but I try to so I can have fun. I just roll around town with a frown.
So these were the contact lenses that I was talking about earlier on. If you can see, so left and this is right, so you just peel, take it out and put it on. My biggest challenge is knowing what is actually the contact lens, because the contact lens is clear like the water inside, so you just have to be very careful. So I have 4 left. I plan on using this for my brother-in-law's wedding, which is 5 days, I think. I also got like an eye drop, which I'm going to try now because to see if it's going to help with my eyes.
Yeah, I'm sick of all my fake friends. And I'm sick of
just put
tying
it
up.
in. If not, I'm at my wit's end about this. Another thing I forgot to mention, I received a package from Dark and Lovely. If you guys are not already using the Influencer app, you definitely need to check it out. This should be like my second package via the app. Let me know if you want me to talk more in detail about it, but we're going to go ahead and do like a mini unboxing, show you guys what I got. So this is what it came in, right? Once you open it, has a little card that shows you like all the products it came with, and then at the back it tells you what you're supposed to do after receiving the package. So I'm supposed to take a picture for each of the products and post on Influencer, and also post that on Instagram, and I think follow them on Facebook. So that's super easy. So the first thing I got, this is what it looks like actually. Let me show you. So I got the smoothing weightless wash. So I'm guessing this is the shampoo. Yeah, it's shampoo. This is the silky sleep blow dry cream. This is like you apply it and then it's like a conditioner because it says to help detangle, but yeah, this is also my first time seeing it. I think they just launched it, so that's why. There's a heat primer. It's very important for you to use heat primer or a heat protectant when you're adding heat or anything to your hair. Then this is a shine serum or shine balm. So I'm guessing it's like hair serum, so you apply it just to give your hair a little bit of shine. Oh, this is the conditioner, and I think this is something else. Sorry, let me see the directions. Oh, so they work hand in hand, and you don't need to wash this off. Oh, sorry, you wash this off. This you don't need to wash off, and that's basically everything. I guess anybody with any length of natural hair can try it, but like I have my hair currently in cornrows, so I won't be able to try it until I take them off. And there's a picture of how it's supposed to work. So you see the girl with natural curly hair, and then here it's like super straightened, and you can see it. Yeah, and then she's also the same person here, I'm guessing. That's basically it. Let me do a quick b-roll for my videos. That's basically it. I already cleaned my table. I need to do the dishes, wash my brushes, clean the house, and then we'll start heading out. I'm so excited. I wanted to do hybrid, but I was afraid that it might not show up. Like I want to be standing far and you can see the lashes, you know.
And I'm sick of never really knowing when to be real and not pretend, just so I can fit in.
So yeah, that's basically everything from their own end. I'm definitely going to try it out. I'm going to try to take pictures. Actually, I should try taking the pictures now since the sun is like really bright.
Never usually the one who wanna say, but never thought that I'd be here calling you baby, baby, baby. I don't like wasting my time, I don't like risking it all. Too busy handling mine, too independent to fall. And I don't even know why you make me want to shove, to keep it honey, honey. I think I liar. Now all I do is think about you every night, lay up with you. Just can't get you off my mind, and you know that's why I fuck with you. And all the lines that I know you've been erased.
Washing them, I put them in this bag, so I'm just gonna go spread them on the floor outside so it dries before we're back and my client is here. So I think I've done mostly everything. We just need to clean. However, we're running out of time, so I'm going to go have my bath and dress up and wait for babe. We're gonna have breakfast before leaving because it's gonna be a long day. I might be coming home, but babe might want to hang out with his friends later, so I want to make sure that he eats before he does that. Then so when I come back, I'm going to do laundry and sweep a little bit. Maybe I should sweep the living room just in case I come back late and there's no time to clean the living room before my client comes. Let's see how it goes. So going to go shower, and I'm still deciding if I should, oh no, so because this one is the pattern is different, so I have to wear that with a straight trouser and belt. So that, and I'm going to wear my wonderful white smalls or smalls, whatever they call this. I have my toes painted white, so it's gonna be so cute. I got this on Shein. I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I forgot to do it before wearing them, but it doesn't matter. I just want you guys to see. So it's really cute, it's so comfortable. I've walked like long distances with it and it's really good. I'll say the inches is about maybe 3 or 4 inches, but it's like really cute. It looks really nice on your feet. Okay, the hair that I'm going to be wearing, the wig rather, is this this, my deep wave. I haven't worn it in a long while, so I'm going to be wearing that. Yeah, so just had my bag. This is my outfit. I'm going to the bathroom. So this is what I'm wearing. The top, the trouser. So cute. With my butt lifter. This will give me a little bit of ass. And then of course I'm going to wear it. So, but this is cute. I like it. I think that is good for now. I'm just gonna leave that. For foundation, I'm thinking maybe I should use this, but I definitely need to use a primer. And I'm using the Born This Way foundation, by the way. My least favorite foundation. All of you, high hand. I don't know about the high end now. And I honestly prefer my NYX to it. So I can see my eyes are still red from the... My face is ready. I think I have everything I need.
Never thought that I'd be here calling you baby, baby, baby. I don't like wasting my time, I don't like risking it all. Too busy handling mine, too independent to fall. And I don't even know why you make me want to shove. To keep it honey, honey, I think I love you. Now all I do is think about you. Every night lay up with you. Just can't get you off my mind.
Always like promote like businesses and stuff, especially because I myself am a small business owner myself. But yo, excuse me, my eyes has been on fire. It was like super red, but thanks to Wura on Instagram, she asked me to get allergy pills, so I got that. I ran to Target because the way it was doing me, it was like I should just pull this and take it off. And then I got this eye drop, so perhaps that's what helped with the redness, because my eyes was red. You know when somebody smokes Igbo and then your eyes is down red? That's how my eyes were. And what hurts me the most is, I don't know if you guys saw the clip just earlier on, I was like praising them, oh, support black owned businesses, but really, sorry to say, but many of the black business owners that I've met are not professional. I'm a black business owner myself and I'm very professional, but for my nails she wasn't professional, for my lashes she wasn't professional, for my hair itself not professional. So it's just really crazy. I mean, we really need to do better, and that's why people are like, I'm not even surprised, you know, man, I don't even want to talk about it, because I sent this lady that did my lashes like text message. I sent her a DM. I know she's probably busy, but come on, like since morning and the time is like 5 o'clock, you want to tell me that you haven't picked up your phone since then? That's just crazy, you know. So, and I'm not one to go and start dragging people on Instagram or any of those stuff, so I always try to avoid doing it. So, but it hurts when people take advantage of you, because maybe because they feel, oh, we're the same, so nothing can happen. It's really bad. Like my nose, I've been throwing, like spitting out, I've been sniffing, my eyes has been like, you know when somebody like you are having migraine just because of lashes, you know. And I know many of you be like, who sent me? But I've never done it before, and I really wanted to try it out, and unfortunately my first experience is just horrible. So I'm definitely not going back there. Even the waxing place that I decided to go to, because I used to go to a white owned one and then I switched to a black owned one, and she was sweet and nice and everything, but she wasn't professional. I don't know, my eyes is killing me. Like anytime I just mistakenly like close my eyes, like I can feel that pain, like it's crazy. So I'm gonna put on some eye drop, more eye drop, because the way my eyes is doing me, oh, I don't recommend her whatsoever. Forget that I was saying before, oh, I recommended her this, that. No, I do not, 100% do not recommend her. So I'm never going back there, and I'm never doing lash extensions as well. So there's that. It's just bad that she ruined my first experience, because a lot of people that I asked on Instagram, there was no issues whatsoever. That tells me itself that if I'm going to do any, if I decide to do anything major, probably like if you want to do surgery, BBL or something, you probably don't want to use a black business, because many of them are not serious. They don't know what it means to be in a business, you know. They always treat it, I mean, they treat their business with so much, they are just really nonchalant about it. And I'm so angry, you know, because I paid this amount of money. Let's not even like
So I paid for volume. I know what volume looks like. Volume is supposed to be full, but I have a feeling that I didn't get like the volume that I wanted. Of course I didn't complain because I'm not one to always like pick on people's services and whatnot. And then if you do, you see like it's really red here. So I have a makeup client coming in at 5. I hope she comes early because honestly I'm like beginning to get fed up. I'm grateful that you're selecting me to be your makeup artist or whatever, but it's really it's irritating when you have an appointment for 5 and you're coming in 20 minutes. Some of them won't even call you, and that's what is even that annoys me the most. When you're coming to go and get your service done, make sure you're there at the time that is stated, but they never always come early. I mean, I have things planned, I have stuff that I have to prepare for, and I can't start because I'm not like able to finish the makeup on time. Anyways, we got the spec sheet. It's looking more like Rav. Before we left the house, we were 100% Mazda CX-5. But as it is right now, we're most likely going to do the Rav. It's going to be the latest Rav, the 2021 Rav4 XLE. The price I'm seeing is giving me a heart attack. Well, we just need to review and look at everything. So there's a backup camera, which is very important. There's 8 airbags, okay, adjustable front shoulder ankle, a latch, don't know what that, temporary spare, okay. So yeah, that's basically everything, guys. I'll check in with you guys later. I need to even see if I can edit like a video and put up for next week.
You know why my lashes won't go up? I used to do lashes all the time.
Like extensions?
Yeah.
Oh really?
So my lashes just naturally laid down because.
So when I watched all the videos, it made me start thinking I have a big tummy.
Yeah.
Like, and
no, you got a nice body though.
Yeah, see, I'm wearing
yeah.
waist trainer.
I wear waist trainer too. You're not the only.
So guys, I finally finished with my client for today. She loved her makeup. As you guys can see, the makeup came out so good. Her skin was so fresh, and even when I zoomed all the way in, the foundation was perfect. That's how you know a makeup that is on fleek. So today has been a super busy day. I'm gonna go shower, clear this up. I can't wait for us to move because then I get to have my own space where I can do like makeup stuff. Anywho's, I think that's basically everything, Sha. Yes. Okay guys, that's basically everything. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe down below because the more comments I see, the more engagement I see, it tells me that you guys actually enjoy these videos. Beyond just checking my analytics, okay? So I'm just really excited and happy about everything. My eyes are still hurting like crazy. I 100% would never be doing lash extensions ever again, and I do not recommend the person that I went to, so I'm not going to put her name or anything, but peace.